Okay, this short video is going to be a couple hints to help with the Chapter 1 homework. And the good news is there's no extra charge for these hints. In Chapter 1 of our book, we learned that the income statement is revenue minus expenses to give us net income. And we learned that the owner's capital at the beginning plus investments, if it's just beginning, plus net income minus owner's drawings gives us owner's capital at the end. And we also learned that assets are things that we own, and they're on the left-hand side of the balance sheet, and liabilities are things that we owe, and they're on the right-hand side. And we said that assets minus liabilities gives us our owner's equity. But sometimes in the homework problem, they won't give you the information about the owner's equity at the beginning. And so you'll be required to figure out what the owner's equity at the end must be, since you know that assets must equal liabilities plus owner's equity. Another aspect of the Chapter 1 homework that sometimes gives students problems is the matching principle. The author kind of sneaks it in at the end of one of the homework problems. So remember, as best we can, we match our revenue and our expenses, and when cash changes hands, it's not really relevant. So for example, if we earn $7,400 of service revenue during the month of June, but we only collect $6,500 cash for it, we still would book all that $7,400 as service revenue, because we book revenue when we earn it, not necessarily when we get paid for it. Similarly, if we have a total gasoline cost of $350 in June, even though we only wrote a check for $200 and we're going to pay the $150 next month, that total expense of $350 would go into the month of June, even though the last $150 wouldn't be paid for until July, because we want to match our revenue and our expenses. We want to get our revenue into the period where we earn it, and we want to get our expenses into the period where we incur it to earn that revenue. So when cash changes hands, it's not that relevant to when we book revenue and expenses. So hopefully those two little hints will make the Chapter 1 homework a lot easier for you. Hope that helps.